Students, this is Gayathri. Hope you are doing good. Today's topic is motion and measurement of distances. In the last video, we have seen few types of motion. The remaining types of motion we are going to see today. Curvilinear motion. First of all, before going to curvilinear motion, I would like you people get to know about translation motion. A type of motion in which all parts of an object move the same distance in a given time is called translational motion. Translation motion is further classified into two types. One is rectilinear motion and another one is curvilinear motion. Rectilinear motion we have already seen. What is rectilinear motion? Motion of an object moving in a straight path. That is called as rectilinear motion. Now we are going to see about curvilinear motion. Motion of an object along a curved path is known as curvilinear motion. For example, running race in curved track, or else a car taking a turn. Non-periodic motion. A motion that does not repeat itself at regular intervals of time is said to be non-periodic motion. Few examples of non-periodic motion are running of batsmen between the wickets, swaying of the branches of a tree, hockey players playing on the ground. Oscillatory motion. To and fro motion of an object about its fixed position is called oscillatory motion. Some examples of oscillatory motion are simple pendulum, clock. Vibratory motion. Vibratory motion is the motion of a body brought about by the movement of an object. That is called vibratory motion. Some common examples of vibratory motion are vibrating tuning fork, a weight on a spring, a boy on a swing. Movement of strings in a musical instruments like guitar, sitar. These musical instruments also produces some sound. So these musical instruments are also examples of vibratory motion. Combination of two or more types of motion. The first one is merry-go-round. If we consider merry-go-round as a whole, then it shows a rotational motion because it turns on an axle. But the outer part of merry-go-round shows circular motion. So a merry-go-round has two types of motion at the same time, that is rotational and circular motion. Bicycle. If suppose a bicycle is moving on a straight road, the wheel of a bicycle is rotating on its axle and also moving forward in a straight line. So a bicycle on a straight road has two types of motion, rotational motion as well as rectilinear motion. If in case this bicycle is moving in a curved road, then it also experiences a curvilinear motion. Answer the following questions. What is curvilinear motion? Write some examples for non-periodic motion. Write few objects which can have more than one type of motion. What is oscillatory motion? Give examples. Do the following activity. Refer chapter 10, activity 7 in page number 103.